guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, you guys, I'm going to be doing a braid out. I haven't done a braid out in a minute, but I wanted to do a braid out because I want something stretched but defined and all that. But I'm gonna put a twist to it, you guys, because Better Lengths reached out to me again. If you guys haven't seen my last video I did for Better Lengths, I'm gonna put it up here in the card so you can check that out. And I also put it in the description bar because you guys don't be knowing how to click on this stuff. I will be doing some with the same exact clip-ins, you guys. They ain't send me no more clip-ins. These are the same clip-ins, y'all. I just stored them in this bag the whole time, which is so clutch, y'all, because when they reached out to me and they were like, you know, let's do another video, I was like, Lord, let me go find my clip-ins, y'all. But it was so easy because this bag kept them nice and protected. And all my clip-ins are nice and good and juicy. They are so nice, still intact. They are really good. So I am excited to go ahead and do a braid out because I got a date tomorrow. Ooh, girl. So anyway, what I've already done, I've already co-washed the clip-ins, and I just went ahead and co-washed them with the Diva Curl One Condition Decadence. So I went ahead and co-washed the clip-ins with this, and I used this as my leave-in. So I have that already in my hair so that we kind of, you know, the same products on both. I like to do that. Yes, I use good stuff on my clip-ins. You use trashy stuff. You use stuff that's too oily. Y'all, it's just not going to go well. So definitely make sure you're using whatever you're using on your hair. Like, use the same stuff on your clip-ins because it'll make them last a lot longer. We're just going to get right into this video, y'all, because I'm super excited. If y'all ain't seen that video, the last video I did, you won't understand how hype I am to do this again because those clip-ins just set my hair off. Like, the volume, the length, just everything was just perfect. I took so many pictures that time. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take these out. So this is what my hair looks like with just the leave-in. Well, it's not actually not a leave-in. It's actually a conditioner. But Diva Curl stuff is so good. You can use them as like leave-ins and stuff. And it's still lightweight, so it's not going to weigh your hair down. I'm going to just start from the back. That is how I like to do this. Just starting from the back, working my way up. You guys should already know I don't use combs and stuff to part my hair. I like the whole natural parting thing. It works. I've already sectioned off the back of my hair. And I have so many different clips. So I think I need a 3 clipper back here. I have some with 2 clips. I'm gonna just go ahead and separate them out so that I can have them all like set out. And then I'm gonna come back and we're just gonna get started. I have a 3 clip right here. It's already parted, like I said. You just wanna go ahead and clip these in. Just like that. Now, they have different textures, so don't feel like you got to get the same ones I have. I'll put the ones that I got in the description bar also with their link so you can check them out. But like I said, you do not have to get the same texture of clip-ins that I got. I got the ones that match my hair the most. So now that they're clip-in, the way that I like to do it, I like to just mesh my hair in with the clip-ins and do like a twist out, a braid out. Last time I did a twist out. This time we're doing a braid out. So I have the clip. This is the clip-in. This is my hair. So I think these are 18 inches. So I am going to be using a curl cream, and I'm going to be using the Twist and Shout Cream by Curls, you guys. I love this stuff. This is one of my favorite creams for like twist outs or braid outs or anything like that. I do have my Tangle Teaser here because you are going to want to make sure the hair is smooth. Now, originally I used the normal Tangle Teaser, but in this one, y'all, I got the fancy one, and I love this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of the Twist and Shout cream. And you want to add it to both your hair and this hair. This is how you gonna get that like flawless result, friend. You just gotta you gotta show both the clip-ins and your hair the same love. That's how you gonna get them to look real. Like nobody could tell I had clip-ins. And you just want to make sure you go ahead and just brush your hair and the clip-ins in together, just like that. Okay, and then just go ahead and braid that up. Of course, you want to be careful when you're at the roots because you don't want to rip that clip out. So just be careful at first. And then once you secure that top, go ahead and braid like you normally do. And also add more product if needed, just to make sure it's nice and juicy. Oh my God, I just love this cream. I keep forgetting about my twist and shout cream, baby. But these braids gonna take a long time because this is extra hair. So bear with the sister, okay? All right, and at the bottom, you want to just go ahead and coil till you all the way to the end. Make sure it's nice and smooth, just like that. Ooh, we about to have some length, sis. Do you see this? Yes, God. Okay, so y'all already know I'm gonna basically do the same exact thing to my entire head. So I'm gonna play some music, let you guys listen to some music while you watch me just, you know, adding clip-ins and getting it all moisturized and braiding these long things on down. And hopefully it don't take me too long. What time is it? It's 4:44 right now. So hopefully it don't take me too long to get these put in, you guys. So just sit back and relax and enjoy. Okay, we at the last two, and I have a 2 clip in here. I'm just gonna do these last 2, and then I'm going to be done, sis. Whew. Y'all, it ain't nothing like being on that last braid, y'all. This literally took me, what, 2 hours. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just sleep in these overnight, of course. I'm not gonna sit on a dryer or nothing like that. But I think they're gonna come out so cute. It's Friday night though, so if I go somewhere, I'm just gonna put like a bonnet on. Not a bonnet, y'all. Like a satin like beanie. That's what it is, beanie. The Grace Alea one. Probably just gonna put that on and then call it a day. My braids look pretty uniform and it look really good. So yeah. They so long. Okay, so I'm going to go to sleep in them, and then tomorrow we're going to take them out. So I'll see you guys then. So it is the next day, and my braids are dry. They are so dry. My track showing, but we're going to cover that up when all the hair is out and all that good stuff. So I am going to add a little oil to my hands, just to have it on my hands. And I'm going to take these down. And in all honesty, it's going to take a minute for me to take these down. Okay, you guys. So this is the final look and these final results of the clip-ins along with the curls, blueberry twist and shout cream. And I like it. Definitely gives you volume. I love how like voluminous and thick and big it is on first day. I am actually ready to like go out. Like, sis, this is cute. Like I said, I've had these clip-ins for some time now and I absolutely love them. Every time I put them in and do a style, like it always comes out really good. So I knew it wasn't gonna be ugly. But this is just so cute. I love the definition, the volume, and just merging your hair in with the clip-ins just looks so good. It looks so blended, and you don't have to necessarily, especially if you have way shorter hair, you don't have to take a lot of time trying to blend your hair in with clip-ins, because I know that is a very, very, very hard thing to do sometimes. So that's why I just decided to just twist or braid my hair together. If you guys want to see me using these clip-ins on a twist out, like I said, click the link up here. But now I've done it with a braid out, so you guys got options. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos with these clip-ins, because I love them. If you are interested in purchasing these clip-ins, again, I will link them in the description bar for you to check them out. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.